Hey everybody, Chris Bystead with Guaranty RV in Junction City. Boy, I've got a really cool trailer to show you. I'm really excited about it. As you're going to look in this on the outside, you're going to see that there is no slide out in this one. Oftentimes people say, I just want a basic trailer without a slide out. I just want to have a basic trailer. This is it, but it's far from basic on the inside. You're going to love the floor plan. I know I do. Let's come check it out. Before we step in, I want to show you one thing though. You definitely have a power tongue jack, a pass-through on the outside, outdoor speakers, big, beautiful power awning, everything that you would want on the outside of a trailer. And this one has double axles for a 20-foot trailer. It's just chock full of really great surprises. Let me show a few inside. So I'm going to start you out back here because look, you've got a really awesome place to dine, play games, have a great view outside, and this actual dinette also serves as an extra bed for sleeping adults, and they're sleeping on the opposite side of the trailer that you're sleeping in, which is kind of neat. It's preferred. If someone snores, you're not going to hear it all night long. Quite so easy. You've got a wonderful kitchen. It's a galley style kitchen. So you have a refrigerator and freezer right here. You've got the microwave, the stove hood, fan and light. This is all flat as you notice, so you can have counter space. And then when you're ready to cook, you have a 3-burner cook stove, a really nice gas oven. Check out how huge that sink is. This is a 20-foot trailer, guys. It's just a small one. Big, huge stainless sink. Extra drawers and storage space. And look, it's even got pantry space here, which is really fantastic. A place for all of your food. And check out this bathroom. It's appointed beautifully. It's got a step-in shower. Plenty of room for all the things that you're going to need to have, even your linens and things like that. This bedroom is particularly awesome. You do have privacy screens. And a place for the TV of your choice. Nice big one right here with the stereo system and everything. Big shirt closets. A place to put all your devices and reading lamps. Tons of space up top. But what happens if it's raining outside? Well, sometimes in Oregon it rains. We just tuck all the bedding there. And we're going to push this up and hide it away so you can't even see it. And then we'll lift up this sofa and we will hang out here, put our cup of coffee or can of pop right here and watch TV all inside this small 20-foot trailer with no slide. It's amazing. This floor plan is terrific and I would love you to come see it. Give me a call. My name's Chris Bystead. My number is 541-636-7878.